Hello, I'm Adrian Bowyer and I'm talking to you about the RepRapPro Fisher Delta 1, which is the 3D printer behind me right here. This is designed to give fast 3D prints at good quality, and it has a surprisingly low cost. It's also designed to be easy to build, and especially for Christmas we're also offering it fully assembled and tested, so you can buy one of those, plug it in and start printing straight away. And it's a RepRap, which means that all the designs are fully open source. You can download them and you can use the machine to make another copy of itself. So if you've got one, you can make another one. The controller in the Fisher Delta 1 is the Duet controller board. It's a 32-bit controller board which is compatible with Arduinos, and when the firmware for controlling the machine is loaded onto here, it acts as a web server, like a website, so you can control the machine from your phone, your tablet, or from a laptop, and it works from any operating system, Linux, Windows or Mac. They all work equally well. The web interface allows you to drag and drop files onto it to print them, so that's really straightforward, and it also offers you live control, so while the machine's running you can dive in and make adjustments to it if you want to, or see what the progress of the print is when it's estimated that it'll finish, that sort of thing. Finally, the sort of prints that the machine makes. Well, for Christmas we did a couple of candle holders, perfectly straightforward, though rather attractive, sort of pine cone design. Other sorts of items, this is equally straightforward, it's just a little pot. The interesting thing about this though is that it has a screw thread in it, and the screw thread was printed by the machine as part of the printing process, and when this pot came off the machine's print bed, you can just screw it together immediately. So that's all integral. Here's a dragon that we printed for a competition. This is a dragon standing on a little pedestal, like dragons do. And finally, and perhaps most interestingly, there's this. This is a screw jack. And the reason why this is interesting is that it came off the machine in one shot. We printed it all in one go, and the whole thing is a fully working mechanism that just comes straight off the machine for people to use. Obviously you're not going to be standing a car on it anytime soon. It's intended for lightweight applications, things like, for example, putting lenses and mirrors on for laser optics experiments, that sort of thing. So, the RepRapPro Fisher Delta 1, a low cost, high speed, good quality 3D printer, available now online.